Satisfying appetites at Atlantic City's busy outlet center keeps them on their toes. But the people working inside this food truck say their recipe for success goes way beyond what's on the menu.
This opportunity don't present itself too often.
Taryn Thompson says spending 42 months in state prison for selling drugs taught him the value of patience.
It gave me time to sit back and reevaluate my life.
A referral from the New Jersey Department of Corrections to Ideal Institute of Technology put him on a new path. Taryn enrolled in the Pleasantville-based nonprofit's entrepreneurship program. The cost? Absolutely nothing.
We're the first of its kind school that pays students to come to school.
I was able to work while I learned.
He spent time in a classroom and even more on the job, learning every aspect of running a food truck. The opportunity also became a family affair. Brother David enrolled at Ideal as well. Both had prior experience in the restaurant industry.
It opened my eyes up to bigger and better things at the same time because this opportunity I didn't have at no other restaurant I worked at.
This team.
At graduation in June, Taryn and David were awarded a key to the same food truck in which they've worked and learned since the fall.
It was amazing.
A group of investors paid for the initial cost of the food truck and its equipment, but the brothers now have a stake in the operation, with the potential to own all of it.
The model is they get a 15% each ownership with the option to pay off the cost of the food truck in the next 5 years and own 100%. Next year's class, we're targeting 2 more graduates owning their own food truck.
A current Ideal student gaining valuable skills and income alongside the Thompson brothers.
I try to let everybody I know, this is free, you can earn while you learn.
Ingredients blended to create transformative achievement. Ted Greenberg, NBC 10 News.